Hi everybody, here I am back to the typewriter. A viewer asked me about the ribbon which has ink on it and that the letter hits on it and it can be printed. And he asked me about something, and now I would like to show you how to set the ribbon. So let's start the typewriter. Look at here. So you have two cartridges, 1 and 2. So there is a button that takes the ribbon from this cartridge to that cartridge by doing that. From this it goes to this. First of all, your typewriter has to have the original IBM cartridges. We have little teeth here, you can see. They have to have these little teeth, because if they don't, the ribbon can't move when you hit a letter. You see, here's A. When I press the key, these will move. Both of them will move, but I can show you this now. So there are two buttons, 1 and 2. By pressing each one of these, you can set from which cartridge to which the ribbon goes. So if I press this, the ribbon goes from this to this. If I press this, the ribbon goes from this to this. You see? So let's take the ribbon all the way to that one so I can show you on this one. Now here the ribbon is catched on a tooth, so it can be removed from the cartridge. Now let me show you another cartridge I have that has the original cartridges as I bought it. You see, that one has this plastic cartridges which are without tooths. Excuse me. If you put these cartridges into this typewriter, there is no proper working. You have always to have the original IBM cartridges which have tooth so and the typewriter works properly and the ribbon moves from cartridge to cartridge. So now, where do you have to catch the ribbon? First of all, you have to catch it in one of the two cartridges. On the left side you put it here in the right also, then you take it through here, behind this, which is the ribbon height adjuster. The ribbon height adjuster, if you have a ribbon with two colors like this one has black and red. I don't like using two color ribbons because sometimes it can be a little bit more complicated. I like using one color ribbons. You take it behind this, behind the height adjuster, then through here and here to the other cartridge. So you see it stopped automatically. If I press this key, I can take ribbon from this to this cartridge. Enough. So that's how you set the ribbon. The first time you will do it, you may be a little bit confused with the way of the tooths, but don't give up. It's easy if you get used to it. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. See you. Bye.